As a student competition team, our main job is to provide an engineering opportunity for the new students to get some hands-on experience. And so we decided at Swissloop that every year the new students shall decide what goals they want to set for themselves, so they can freely decide what they want to achieve in this year. And we as leads try to help them, try to guide them towards achieving what they have set out to do.
We have those crazy ideas, we put them together in the design, do simulations of them, and then in the end, in the testing phase, we see how they work, if they work, and if they don't work. That's a cool part of engineering. We can still figure something out.
As a team, we then try to assess the risks and all the potential failures that could happen, by also getting help from our industry partners and all our alumni who have experience in building a functioning system, while also of course knowing that sometimes failure is a part of innovation and we can also learn a lot from failure. So here in Swissloop we foster an environment of innovation by cultivating a culture where everyone feels empowered and encouraged to bring up any ideas they have, regardless of how crazy they might seem.
Here at Swissloop, experimenting with new ideas is part of the journey. So each year we try to focus on different things in the engineering side, things that have never been done before, at least at that scale, and we really try to push the technology of hyperloop further.